What's good, Hoodrich fam? Hoodrich Credit tapping in. Look, y'all, today we're gonna be vlogging. We're gonna go for a hellcat, man. I haven't said this on this channel, but we're gonna go for a hellcat. I'm with my boy Rico right now.
Yo, finna get that boy right.
With samples. Yeah, we at McDonald's right now, but I'm gonna go on a hunt for a hellcat just for content purposes. I will be doing another channel where like I'm dropping hellcat videos and shit. Y'all know them shits be doing numbers online. I gotta get one. That boy Rico convinced me. What happened? That shit came off?
Yeah, flushing.
Flush that bitch.
Flushing this shit.
That video that we posted last time when we pulled up to the dealership, that shit had like 200K, but also 2 people are reposting and dropping videos on that shit on TikTok. So people recognizing the motion. I'm telling y'all, we gonna go crazy. Hopefully they don't try to bag us like last time with the contract, with the fees.
Bro, I'm finna make your shit hard. Put a credit card on the side of that shit.
No, right here on the top.
Exactly.
Big ass credit card.
Big ass credit card.
Put the Amex, big boy Amex. Come on now. So, we gonna get him right though, bro.
We gonna get him right.
Just having troubles ordering, bro.
It's like Phoenix.
That boy's new to technology.
Nigga don't know what you want to eat.
Small fry, bro.
That's it?
What else I'm gonna get?
Bro, fucking mac chicken or something.
Yeah, we never declined it.
Paid in full.
Paid in fully.
This nigga Kevin talking about so he about to bang it.
That boy at work right now?
Work.
Oh my god.
While we
just chilling here. Come on now. Flexing on that boy. Watch the vlog.
You ever come to Florida City, you gotta see Ginger Jesus, baby.
Ginger Jesus, man.
Like,
shout out to Ginger Jesus. Take care, brother.
Right on, my dude.
Ginger Jesus.
Ginger Jesus. That shit kinda hard, bro.
That shit hard. That shit hard.
What did I come out to, bro?
Call that boy, bro. Call that boy.
Yo.
Get him right.
Let me give 8.
8 ball. 8 ball.
8 ball.
Get that boy in that pool.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Go ahead, brother. Ginger Jesus.
No.
Man.
Boy, trying to get that drunk.
I told you I wasn't playing it, but thank you, my dude.
Most definitely, man. Take care, brother.
But that name was just so hard, bro. How do niggas be thinking?
Just because it was hard.
Just because it was hard, bro. Pause.
We made it, man. Dodge dealership. We need a sales rep.
On the charge a Hellcat?
Yeah. They bagged us.
Get that.
Fuck no, I don't like this colorway, bro. Badass green. This is like a destroyer gray. Yeah, this is the colorway I want. I want to have it red gutted, destroyer gray, blacked out rims, red calipers. But they don't got shit, man. The inventory is looking bad, y'all. They only have scat packs and they only got RTs. Don't even put that on my vlog, bro. That's embarrassing.
He gonna blow the engine.
He gonna blow that fucking engine, bro. He gonna be in debt working here. Hey, brother, y'all don't got no chargers no more? Hellcat chargers?
Charger?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe. ¿Dónde están los chargers aquí?
So that's the only charger you guys have? Hellcat, yeah. That's the last one. Badass colorway. I'm about to get one out of state, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Out of state purchases are not that bad, bro. It's just you would have to get somebody to inspect the vehicle, make sure everything is good, but you would just have to give it delivered to you. I got a vehicle shipped to me from California and that shit was just a wreck.
I say fuck it, bro. See how much that shit is, bro.
Dealership too, man. Let's see what they talking about.
Ask them if they got some.
But they don't got no Hellcat.
They don't got no. Yeah, this is like a classy dealership.
I want to go to the Miami one, bro.
Nigga, they ain't got shit.
Took the L, bro. Give up.
Took the L on the vlog, bro?
You're not dropping this, bro.
Oh, what? You're right, but that's the nigga that's gonna pay the band.
Huh?
That's the nigga that's gonna pay the band.
That's gonna pay me the band.
Yeah. Remember I told you? That's him.
What he did?
No, but he bought the class and shit. He wants you to put him on.
Oh, word?
Let's go put him on. Easy band.
Easy vlog.
Oh, that's a vlog.
That's a vlog. What's the backstory? Tell him the backstory. Come over here.
But that boy is trying to get right with the credits, bro. He trying to get his credit right. He trying to get some credit cards, bro.
What you say? He said he needed some credit help?
Trying to get some shit like that.
Word? I'm gonna pass by. Get this shit, bro.
Wait till you done with the character. Oh,
yeah,
I say character.
Ah, this a L vlog, man. I swear to God, bro. We went to the dealership, y'all. We ain't find nothing, no inventory. We went to the second dealership. They wasn't talking about nothing. Should I post this shit, bro?
But no. Fuck no.
I'm gonna post this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm posting.
You're right here right now, bro. You posted that shit, them boys going 2 mil? 2 mil? On fucking TikTok? 200 clay plus on YouTube? That shit going.
Bro, somehow I'm gonna find a way to mix up credit with this vlog. Y'all seeing this now? I'm gonna find a way. All right, fuck it. Let's see what boy talking about.
But that's gonna make the vlog. But him right there. But get it, man. Get it. Chilling, bro?
Chilling. What you doing out here?
Just vlogging, man. Chilling.
Vlogging and chilling. That's what's up.
Man,
Yeah, I see him in picture, dog. It's crazy.
What's going on, brother?
It's funny because I recognized him before I saw you.
I'm trying to get right with the credit stuff, bro.
You trying to get right with credit?
Yeah, I was trying to hit you up. I told you I was waiting till I get paid or whatever. I'm ready to do it whenever you're down.
What's your credit situation like? What are you trying to obtain?
No, bro, I'll just show you straight up.
What are you trying to get? You trying to get like a new vehicle?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a new
card?
whip. I was looking for the Elantra N. I have a shit ton of hard inquiries.
That's straight though. We could get it right. I always tell people that Credit Karma is not that accurate. It still gives you an idea of how your score is looking like. What you really want to download is experience. Let me see what you need. Okay, nothing missed. Okay, you got a Best Buy card. You got a kickoff credit one. All right, your cards are decent. You just gotta drop the balances down. Try to get under 10%. Credit age. This is very important. Oh, you just opened these accounts? The Best Buy?
Yeah, not that long ago. I want to say like a month or two ago.
When you want to get the card, because the thing is, because the thing is, like, when you want to get a new vehicle, your most recent accounts have to be 6 months. Anything fewer than that, they're gonna be like, bro, you just applied for a recent account. Like, they're gonna deny you for the loan.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to wait 5 months realistically to let these accounts age. When they say 6 months, that's when you could apply for the auto loan.
When I went, they just told me I didn't have history on my credit.
Yeah. When you went?
Shit, like 2 months ago. They approved me. They told me take the whip, but I wasn't gonna pay what they were telling me to pay.
What they were telling you?
$670.
$670
for a $20,000 car.
Like $670 monthly? Oh, they tripping, bro. They trying to bag
for a $20,000 car.
What was the interest rate? They didn't tell you the interest rate?
What was the interest rate?
It was like 17, 18.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
God.
You see what I'm saying, y'all? Like, you don't got someone around you that has a good credit card with good age, with a high limit.
Probably
No
my
missing.
sister. Yeah, my sister.
Yeah, tell her to add you as an authorized user. It's not gonna affect their credit. The only thing is though, it's gonna reflect on your credit. It's gonna show on your credit report.
Oh, okay.
And it's gonna boost you up. But the thing is, those new accounts that you apply for, you gotta let them age. And then you can get that vehicle with something like PenFed. You can pre-qualify without it hurting your credit, and then they'll show you like what they're willing to approve you, like what interest rate they're willing to give you. Now the dealership, they're gonna try to scam you. Like, look, see if I pre-qualify. Apply now. And if you want to go to dealership, do you know the specific vehicle you will be purchasing? No. Let's say it's used. Continue. And then they're gonna ask for the loan amount and everything, and then you're gonna get pre-qualified. They're gonna throw you an offer, and they'll like show you interest rate. Now, if you go to the dealership, that's where they get you.
Yeah, because you're going through their bank.
They ran your credit multiple times.
Yeah, they did.
You see?
They did.
But if you go straight to them, it's gonna be a soft pull. They're not gonna run your credit at all.
Yeah,
just a
makes
check.
sense.
But if you accept it, that's where they pull it, but just one time.
Yeah.
Go
Yeah,
to
they
Pen-
ran it like 3-4 times.
Look, hard increase, 15.
Yeah,
Look how many times.
It's a whole bunch of different times.
Look how many times they ran this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ran my
6.
credit a bunch of times.
Yeah, that's how they get you, bro. They run your credit multiple times like that. But now he knows though. Next time,
Yeah.
That's dope. So
You
your
got-
YouTube channel's about credit?
yeah,
That's
Fully
fire.
Hoodrich credit. Yeah, I just talk
Nice to
about
meet you,
credit,
bro.
man.
Julian. Take a look at mine.
But yeah, I got your
Take a
info.
look, take a look. You never know, yeah. I try to take care of it, you know?
Next client. You got Credit Karma?
Oh, yeah. Give me one
You gotta get
second.
a,
Alright, go
you gotta
ahead,
get
go
a
ahead.
experience.
No, I have
You got
experience.
experience? Go on experience, bro.
Man, we wasn't even gonna drop this vlog, but now I'm talking about credit and I gotta drop it.
Bro. What should I do to like keep it
I'll
boosted?
tell
Like,
you.
I just be paying it off every month.
You got good credit.
Like, seriously, yeah, I got good. I take care of it.
Okay, he got Amex swipes too.
Yeah, Amex.
Show him the wallet.
He said so to the wallet.
He got an
see?
Amex Gold.
I mean, yeah. So you see what you
Yeah,
think.
he got the everyday
Blue
card.
every day, Freedom Unlimited.
Freedom
Quick
Unlimited.
Silver.
He got some good swipes. You got good credit, man. You could really run it. Look, he got a Synchrony Bank Care Credit 6K.
Yeah, but I tried. Like, I'm not gonna get a car anytime soon. Like, that's mainly because I'm trying to get a house.
All right, get an FHA loan.
Yeah, 3.5%.
3.5%
I'm also a
down,
realtor
yeah.
too, so
Okay, that's good.
That's the goal with me, you know. Get
Yeah.
like a duplex, triplex.
The market is crazy though right now when it
Facts.
comes to
It is,
the houses.
It's
I'm not
wild.
gonna lie to you.
But that's good though. You teach a lot. A lot of people.
Ask
don't
for an
know.
increase.
A lot of people don't know shit. Yeah, the other day I asked for an increase with Discover the other day. It's
You
at
haven't asked Apple?
30. It's at 3,200.
You asked for Apple.
But
now.
if I ask for Apple, cause my Apple, hold on, my Apple is 0. Take the card back.
you don't use it,
I do. But I paid it
Look,
off.
try
Like,
it.
it just hasn't reflected yet. But I
no,
paid
you
it
can
off.
ask for it. Soft pull.
Yeah,
Look.
but does it check it?
no, they don't run your
They
credit.
don't run it?
It's soft pull.
Fuck it.
Look,
Run it.
He had a 3,000.
I tried to ask Chase the Freedom Unlimited one. In the system, for some reason, is not allowing me to do it.
let's see how much they throw it.
The Apple one is 3 bands.
I got a lot of Amazon FBA partners down here too. If you're trying to flip your credit one day, and instead of like, let's say you get in a house, you want to like make your credit work for you. You want to get business credit.
Facts, business credit. Cause I know people they told me like you get like 50K in business credit, some crazy shit.
No problem. Stop. He got increased to 6K, y'all. What was the original limit? 3K.
So I
doubled it. What I told you, bro. I always find a way.
Bro, I found a way.
Made sure I collided that credit into the vlog.
But that boy, like,
them boys think you a superhero.
Bro, that boy out. He walked to me. He walked next to me. He was like, "Who's credit?" I was like, "Yeah."
Bro, he was so surprised.
Bro, he was so surprised.
What are you guys doing? That boy wanted to be a part of that shit. Bad as fuck.
Yeah, that boy, he told me, he was like, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm talking about credit." That boy, that boy see that boy chain. That boy staring at that boy chain like this. That boy, look, bro. But the other nigga wasn't even done. That boy, check mine out. That boy, oh yeah, check mine out. That boy,
finish talking, bro. He really talking, bro. I'm sitting here like,
and he got a.
What I can do? What I can do?
Hold phone. That boy, what can I do?
And that boy got
unlock that boy. Hold on, let me get you right.
That boy credit increase, bro. Credit increase instantly.
Hey, I'm telling you, hey, this shit not no lie, bro. Hey, I'm telling y'all,
my shit doubled.
This shit not no lie. We
better the real one.
We did this shit live.
That shit got a drink, bro. Nigga thirsty as fuck, bro.
That's how you know he know I'm the real deal. His shit got increased off the rip, bro. Just off talking to me, I put that boy 3 mans up.
Think about it, like a lot of niggas gonna see that, bro, and they gonna be like, okay, this nigga actually like he doing what he talking, like he's showing what he doing type shit, bro. Cause you got, bro,
this, bro.
But you got a lot of niggas who sit there and be like, oh, let me go to him, They don't do none of that shit, bro. He not Hollywood type shit. This nigga sit there, walk down, niggas coming up and he telling them boys like, boom, got a nigga a credit increase, got him out the way. Credit increase, got his ass out the way.
Got him out the way.
Nigga
said you want more tips?
Call me, nobody lock me in. Bruh, nigga got so much, like he was doing so much shit in there, bro. People coming to him getting credit increase. Nigga told that boy stop recording. That boy said, no
recording.
I was screaming it on the mic.
But that boy, he heard that mic, but he was ignoring that shit. That boy, I'm getting a credit increase.
I'm trying to get that increase.
I'm trying to get a credit increase.
That boy forgot about his job at that point, bro.
Because I looked, bro, he was doing something with his sound. Like he took his shit off. That boy said,
hey,
no record. That boy out.
That boy out. Tell him no record. That boy out. Pop that shit out his ear. That boy forget his credit increase.
Sorry guys, but I was screaming in his ear, no recording. He didn't hear me.
That boy said, oh my bad.
When he did that shit that fast, it got
bro,
him
his ass forgot about,
ink.
he really forgot about his job like that, bro.
Bruh.
I was about to tell him, hey, bro, you're not gonna get in trouble with your job, bro.
Bro, I was finna say that too.
That boy see who risk credit. That boy, just teach me how to live on the credit cards. Fuck this job.
I thought the nigga was finna come tell him what you doing. You got to get back to work, bro. That boy said, "Here, help me too."
That shit live. That shit live, bro.
It didn't even take 30 seconds, bro. That boy said, "You got an Apple Card?" Yeah. Say less.
Bro, it's the fact he did not let this man stop talking, bro. He literally tapped me. He was like, "What's going on here?" I was like, "Oh, he's trying to get another car. He's trying to get another car. He's trying to get credit." Credit? I was like, "Yeah." I saw that boy YouTube channel. That boy, 200K. That boy,
immediately popped it out.
Check mine out.
Yeah. I got experience too.
That boy, yeah. I'm passing that boy the phone. Bro, now he's 6K up, bro.
Yeah.
Added 6K.
Yeah.
And you gave that boy some steps, bro, after that, so he know what to do.
All right, let's go to Walmart, bro. Let's see what's up. Yeah. All right, man. W vlog, bro. I told you, bro.
Niggas wasn't finna go to Best Buy,
bro. I was finna take these niggas home, bro. I was like, you know what? We in Best Buy, bro.
Bro, I told you, I knew I was gonna find a way to figure out how to add this credit. Me. Rich credit. I talk about credit, bro. I just teach people like how to get credit, how to get cars and shit.
How to get money.
How to get money, basically, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, just basically how to get money.
On Instagram?
Yeah, Hood Rich Credit, same shit, bro.
That's how you be getting all that shit?
Yeah, credit, bro. Credit is where it's at. Y'all boys could get turned up.
Nigga, I used to look in that shit.
Look into it, bro. I used to work in landscaping jobs, construction jobs. I did all that shit, bro.
You know who this is?
Who's it?
Bro, she be with all the hellcats and shit, too.
Female?
Yeah.
Nah, hell nah. You probably saw her at the meeting.
I'm trying to see her right now.
That's my sister.
Oh, yeah? How old she is?
23.
All right, then y'all boys, y'all stay up, man.
Alright, for sure. Put that motion. That shit
Tap into it, bro. I'm telling y'all, that shit will turn y'all up, man. What you doing with that, boy?
Chill.
Where we at now? Dayland.
Dayland Mall, man.
Dayland Mall, y'all boys. People been recognizing me, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's good.
Yeah. I ain't tell you when I pull up a PR, dude recognized me with his girl. I was just chilling. Hey. I'm like, what the fuck? What you tapping me for? He's like, hey, you Hoodrich credit, right? Hey, bro, I watch all your videos, bro. All this extra shit. I'm like, word in Puerto Rico, bro. I just wanted to show y'all how everybody in the mall was looking at us. And it's not even half of it. When your whole squad is turned up off the swipes, you got the camera out, y'all looking fly. Everybody gonna turn heads, man. Get y'all credit situated. Let's run it up. Y'all tap in. I might get some Dior's, bitch. 1.2.
Easy.
It's like off the swipe. 945, not that bad.
That's it, man.
That's it. 945. But these shit so ugly, bro. They even smell, bro. Who will buy these, bro? If you wearing these, bro, don't watch my channel. These ugly ass Lanvins, bro. I never found Lanvins art.
Hey, man, ain't the camera at that shit.
These shit's played out. Dive in, man.
Niggas really was finna go home, bro. No Best Buy, nothing, bro.
Bro, I'm not doing no mukbang with you, bro. Hey, yo.
Successful day, man. We out.
Hood, rich.